Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So in today's lesson, I will teach you on how to enable Recycle bin on Windows Server. The purpose of enable this is to restore unexpected or uncoincidentally deleted our user, our group or our organizational needed in Active Directory. So here's the purpose. To enable this, first you need to go to server nature and then you go to Active Directory Administrative Center and then you go to your domain controller or okay, and then here I have already enabled. So if you haven't enabled, you just click on it. Okay, click on it. After you click on it, this one will be like you can see it's blur. You cannot do anything like I scroll here. So let's see. Now I go to my Active Directory user and computer. Okay, to delete one user, whether it have in here or not. Okay. Now I go to I go to IT department and I can go to HR department. Okay, IT department. I delete one user here named Lavisa. So I delete it. Okay. So after I delete it, let's go to see our recycle bin whether we can get it or not. Okay, you can refresh it. Okay, to see, close it again. You go to it, Active Directory Administrative. Okay, so you can go to your delete object. You see, if you go to your delete object here, you will see this user I just deleted. If you don't enable this, here it cannot be seen. Okay, so to restore, you just right click and restore. And if you want to restore to another group, you restore here, restore to. So you can choose your location to restore to which department, something like that. If you don't want to find location, just click cancel and then restore. Okay, after restore, we go to Active Directory user and computer. Okay, you can go now. Okay, I click it, I close all. Active Directory. Shortcut, you also type dsa.msc. It's shortcut. Let's go to our Active Directory. Okay, you see. So the user is come back. Let's say I delete all of this user. I delete again to see and verify with A1. Okay, no. Now all user have already deleted. So I will go to restore it here. Delete object. Okay, here all the two user. Okay, I restore. And then we go to our Active Directory, IT, refresh. Okay, so this user is back. So here is the purpose to enable Recycle bin on Windows Server. Okay, that's all for today's lesson.